Oh, try the other side, sweet boy. You ready? Turn it around. Try that side. Oh, look at that. See, Nathan tried to steal Mama's pen at the grocery store yesterday. So we thought maybe it was time for markers. Ripping paper's fun too, huh? Good job. Wow, look at that. Yay. Do you want to try another color? What about orange? Here. You want to try orange? Not in your mouth, please. It goes on the paper. It goes on the paper. Oops, try again. There you go. Good job. Not in your mouth, please. It goes on the paper. Nathan, can you say bye-bye to the camera? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Too busy.